Hey guys, in today's video we'll be looking at how we can connect to a Windows 10 device. This is the Windows 10 device from a Ubuntu Linux device, and we'll be using RDP using a tool called Remina that we'll need to install on Ubuntu Linux. Now on the Windows 10 device, we just need to make sure that remote desktop is enabled, and we need to have a user that's allowed to access using remote desktop. We can search for remote desktop settings. And just make sure that under where it says enable remote desktop, make sure it's on. By default it's gonna be off. And then if you scroll down here under user accounts, you can select users that are allowed to do remote connections to this machine. You can add, and then you need to know what users you have configured on this device. If you don't know the users, you can go to search for computer management, and under computer management you can expand system tools, expand local users and groups. Click on users. Here you should have a list of the users. If you wanted to add a new user, you can right click, new user, put all the details for the new user. The other thing you'll need is the IP address for this device. You can do cmd for command prompt, do IP config. That should show you the IP address configured on this computer. In our case it's 172.16.1.102. Now with that information, we can go to Ubuntu Linux. You can open the terminal, right click, open terminal, and the first thing we'll need to do is you can update the software or package repositories. You can do sudo apt update. Okay, put in your password. So once this is done, we'll go ahead and install Remina. And one other thing you might want to do on the Windows 10 device, you might want to log out from that account if you're going to use that account to log into this device. So sign out. So it's done. To install Remina, we'll do sudo apt install Remina, and it's done. So it's already installed, so I didn't install it. We are done with that. We can go ahead and open Remina. So we'll go to the menu here and select and search for Remina, and this is it. And this is it right there. Now here we have the protocols RDP, VNC, and SSH. We are using RDP. The IP address we got is what we'll input here, 172.16.1.102. Press enter. You need to input a user name that's on the Windows 10 device, then the password for that user. We don't need a domain. Press OK, and we're logging in. We are logged in. We can change the scaling here to this, and there you go. We are logged into this Windows 10 device, Ubuntu Linux device. Now if you want to toggle back and forth, you can just minimize this, and if you want to go back to it, you can click this. It should take you back to it. So that's it for this video. That's how you can log into Windows 10 device from Ubuntu Linux using RDP. I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.